All right, welcome to the Univox booth here in ISE 2023. We have our latest news is our MLS-2 amplifier, loop amplifier. It covers smaller area systems, communication systems, great for OEM integration. And what we really offer here is a compact, really compact loop amplifier that has unprecedented really power output for its small size, and as well as, to use the same term twice, unprecedented reliability. We have zero issues with this, and we're up against at least 20 million hours of runtime on these, and zero faults. So that's really what we can offer. Very great reliability, and easy to integrate. So please contact us, our website univox.eu, and we'll gladly tell you more about it.